update. See the snow right there. And yeah. See it better now. And it's 9.1 now. So, oh, sorry. But apparently, my sister is snowed in. So, we might need to go dig her out at some point. I feel like it's raining, but I don't know. I don't know. But I feel like I should be some from Star Wars. But it has to be black. Alright, so I don't know what kind of video you guys will get today, because it is still snowing. Not as much anymore, but it's still coming down. But yeah, here's an update for you guys. I'll do it in the living room, but they're watching movies, copyright music, so I can't. So, we gotta go shovel soon before it gets too deep. And I'm sure my mom will stay inside and film and stuff. But I thought we were gonna start melting. But nope. It got us again. I was just playing a game with Dylan and Laura, built Team X Kids, on a computer game, so that's pretty awesome. That little rat killed me like 6 times. But yeah, it's not. What did I just say? It's not supposed to end this storm, so it's not snowing heavily, but I'm sure it'll start again soon. But yeah, Staffy got a game called The Crew, and Staffy, I will show you my cars today, since I had nothing else to do. I have about 20 or 15 cars now, so yeah, I don't play that game as much as I did. Right now I'm addicted to Minecraft, a mining game on the computer, and NHL 15. So, yeah. But there's this really smart kid on Minecraft on the server and monitoring, and he made copies of diamonds. Like, he made a machine to copy the diamonds. So yeah, the chest full of diamonds was just brilliant. But I could never figure that out, that's for sure. Anyways, that's it for now.
Pardon? Yeah. Our neighbor just made his first swipe of our driveway. If you can see it, it's kind of bright out there.
In his truck.
Yep. He's in his truck.
His truck is full of snow.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? He's got his wife with him today. It's nice. It's romantical.
They're not see you filming.
Why?
They might not be filmed.
It's free advertising.
What's this company think?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, that's a lot of snow.
Holy cow.
I better get my stuff on.
Yes, go help do most of the shoveling, actually. Hello, Mixie. Mixie disappeared in the snow this morning.
Well, I'm not going in their house until they're dead.
Oh my goodness. He can't get he can't get the door open in the car hardly. In the van.
Don't show the license plates. He's gonna have to bring his tractor over.
My fence! Look at my garden!
What?
The snow is like right to the top of the fence on either side of
He's
it.
gonna have to bring his tractor over.
Oh. You're gonna have to shovel this deck off. Don't you fall in the snow there, you big lump. Oh my gosh. We're into like ice pellets and freezing rain right now, and it'll be back to snow shortly. I'm so glad he got a plow. Can't imagine shoveling this whole thing by hand. Oh, there he goes. Oh, what am I doing? Woo, in, out, in, out. There we go. So I have to go and shovel out again for the oil man if he's even going to be able to get down here tomorrow. I don't think much will be going to, well, tomorrow, I don't know. The city buses are shutting down now, and everything's closed in Halifax. So, yeah. And, oh, I was going to say it might be a no bus day tomorrow, but it's March break, so haha, it doesn't count. Oh, spring is what, 6 days away? 6 days? So I'm sure that automatically on the first day of spring, everything will be green, and the birds will be singing, and the flowers will be growing, and there won't be any of this stuff left.
Alright. So that's way over more than they said it was going to be. But I'm going to get my GoPro out, and we're going to walk to the top of the driveway.
With your RV? RV? With your RV?
My RC will not go through that snow. But I'm not doing that until he plows the rest of it out. And it stops.
And my oil tank. Have you checked around the side to see how buried it is?
I'll have to do it with the GoPro now.
If he can get here.
He's not getting here today.
Well, I know he's not getting here today. It's Sunday.
Just a second.
I didn't quite get all that, but Jeremy just about wiped out there on the deck. Anyway. What are you grousing about? What are you grousing about? You need a blue shovel. That one's so stupid. I don't even... No, it is not. Gosh, he is so cranky. Oh, and look who's shoveling out the van is not supposed to be. Guess I better be going out there in a minute. Wait a second here. Just a second. You are not supposed to be shoveling that stuff, man. Uh-oh. Why is he shoveling it like that? Over the edge. Oh, okay, we'll throw it over the edge then. The snow! Oh, focus on the raindrops. There.
So I can get that up.
Uh-oh. Oh, I don't know what he's complaining at me about. It's just the tripod. Mixie, stop that. Stop it. I'm crying. Hello, Connor. Russia. No, Russia got Gross. Did he wake you up? What a bad boy.
Oh no! Poor guy. Braking explosion. Jumping out the window. Oh no!
Alright, I don't know if you can hear me because it's a case, but I'm going to show you everything we got here. The snow stopped, but I think there's more coming, so yeah, anyways, here's all the snow we got. The city is closed down. Almost 2 minutes. Alright, tube, it's getting freezing rain. You can see all the ice up there. Ding, 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 ding. You stink. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys my card on my game. This is mostly for Safi, but yeah. And when I mean that dog stinks, she stinks. She's having some gas problems today. Oh man. It's that bad. But, yeah, here, you can still keep the snow out here. There you go. Yep, it's pretty deep. Well, of course we had the stuff on top already. Sorry. So, my arm's like done now. Anyway. Let's get a tub here. And Pittsburgh's playing Detroit today. And they're losing 5-0. This team this year is up and down. It's getting really annoying. I don't think they're gonna be winning this year. But I think Montreal will get it this year. It's Montreal or Nashville. That's what I think. My arms are toast now. Anyway, just give me a minute. I'll start showing my start showing my cards. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna turn it down a bit. I'm saying my floor, yes, I know. I'm eating a cookie, yes, I know. This better not be copyrighted. So I'll show you a few cards, because I got so many. I'll show you the ones I drive the most. I can see myself. I'm not signed in. Oh, come on. Yes, this is an Xbox One for all you new subscribers. Now, the problem about this game, you have to play online. At all times. So you don't have Wi-Fi at your house? Too bad for you. You suck. Okay, I don't know what car I start with. But, yeah. Yeah, you can see I can pretty much explore the whole map already. The dark stuff I haven't explored, so yeah, I did a lot. I'm near Las Vegas. I must be at that white racetrack, sandy kind of thing. Alright. What am I driving? Oh, I'm driving my supercar. I'll also tell you how to get money much quicker. Anyways, here's this car. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. Probably some European name I can't pronounce. So let me try driving this with one hand. My elbow is on the gas, and I got steering on my fingers. Yeah, we're in Las Vegas. Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh crap. Now we're doing a mission. Gotta get as far away as we can without crashing. Oh crap. Yeah, we did it. Try to break the world record. No. Let me just get this thing out of the way and I'll choose a different car. Oh, my car upgrade is sweet. Okay. Now, let me get a car here. With one finger. This is going to be hard to do. Let's get my Lamborghini, my best car I have. Oh yeah. Now let's try driving one. Here we go. How did I change my view again? There we go. Man, I wish I could see how I'm driving this. I've got it on my elbow the gas, steering with my finger, holding the camera in my other hand. Doing pretty good, really. Okay, so people with one hand can play this game. Oh crap! No, don't want damn Lamborghini. No, I didn't want. I want a bit closer to that area. I don't know where we're heading. Let's get to Las Vegas. Alright, let's change cars here, because I don't know how to get out of Las Vegas. Alright, what's my next? Here's my next best car. Oh yeah, Ford. Alright, you know what? This thing needs to be on a dirt road, and we're on a dirt road. It's weird. The truck will work fine on a dirt road, but when you go off-road in dirt, it won't work. So, pretty much the point of it gone. But that circuit, that's right. We'll do this one, I guess. This one will drive anywhere. Ooh, it's not gonna be focused there. Like a Hot Wheels car. We'll see if we can get up to that player. 5 miles away. Actually, no, that guy's closer. This guy's like a mile away. This game is awesome at night. Can I drive through the airport here? Oh, I can. Sweet. Okay. Oh, what the frig? That was awesome. I believe I'm stuck in here now, though. You're not supposed to get in here. Oh, maybe you are. Okay, never mind. Where's that guy going? Oh, that guy's even closer now. You know what? Screw this. I'm getting my fast car and get there quicker. With one hand. Lambo. Come on, armpit, do your thing. Elbow, do your thing. Whoa. Okay, that guy is close over there. This game has all big cities, but not Boston, so sorry, Steve. Oh, crap, he's gone. Alright, I guess we'll go this guy. Yeah, he's 83 miles away. Huh, no. We're not gonna go to him. I don't have that much time on this camera. Oh, I needed that road, didn't I? Yes, I did. Alright, you should just be up here. Yeah, he stopped playing right now. He's invisible. Man, I can't play this thing. Okay, let's go see this guy. He's up here. No way. Whoa. Gotta watch when I'm driving. Oops. Oh, he's invisible too. Oh man, now he's gone. No, he's not. Turn around, you idiot. You had a Corvette? How the heck do you get that car? Oh well, I'm faster than you. Yeah, so those are my best cars. I'll show you all the cars here though. Look at the list here. Yeah, I have a lot. Yep, a lot. Alright, I'll show you how to make money quickly. I still need to explore in there more. Now, what's that gold thing? Those must be missions, okay. We want to find those PvP events, okay? And you want to just go to one of these lobbies, and you can earn up to $18,000 when you race, each race. And you're playing online too, so yeah, so you can make money quick like that. Anyway, so that's my car for you, Safi. That's my favorite car I got. Lambo. So, yeah. Once I'm here, let's just turn this off. I'll show you the rest of the games I got if you haven't seen yet. Shadow of Mordor, I haven't played that one in months. Assassin's Creed, Black Flag, haven't played that one in weeks. The Crew, you just saw. NHL 15, I'm addicted, almost in the playoffs. Boston sucks. Oh, there you go, Steve. And the Master Chief Collection, which works now. So, yeah. Yesterday's game wasn't very fair at all with Boston Pittsburgh because my best two players didn't play, and I know Steve went on my comments and said it wasn't very fair for you, so thank you for that. Once I go out, I'll look for a pillow or something to sleep with. That's my dare challenge thing, so I'll do that. If I can't find anything, I have to wear the t-shirt or something. So, yeah. Anyways, that's probably not it for now, but we'll leave it for that right now. It's about 3 o'clock, I think. Oh, let me go up here. Oh man, the snow is heavy. It's 4, so we'll wait another hour until we do the video stuff. So, yeah. My battery's dying too. So that's gonna be it for now. Get out. Go on. That's gonna be it for today, guys. It's 6 o'clock. I'm running late. Yep. Anyway, so the storm's pretty much done. It's just little snowflakes here. I'll give you a little look here. You can zoom in snowflakes. You can just see little ones. My things are starting to melt already. Our neighbor's been out with his plow all day doing driveways and stuff, so I'm making some dough. But yep, wasn't that the snow was just really heavy. That's the sucky part about the storm. Speaking of neighbors, that is her, my neighbor. Okay, car visiting her neighbors. Nobody visits us anymore. Nobody. Steve, come down here and visit us. Greg, April, come on down. It's like I'm from The Price is Right. Let's see here. Did they say last names? Yeah, I think they do. Yeah. Anyways. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm not too sure if I'll be getting tomorrow off or not. Depends what it does overnight, because I know it's supposed to snow all overnight again. So it just does this, it won't be that anything. But yeah, it just depends on how the roads are tomorrow and stuff, so kinda hoping to get off. But if I do get off, I won't be getting Tuesday off like I had planned because I don't want to get that many days off. Yeah. So, and if I do go to work, I'll get Tuesday off. So, we'll see what happens. So, yeah. Anyways, I guess we will see ya tomorrow.